the one support issue we did have, they dealt with it exceptionally.
They answer any questions you have when you phone through, and any queries that you have, they'll answer really quick.
NetSupport have been brilliant. They've been really helpful. When we have encountered issues around things, they've been very quick to respond.
The team have been fantastic in driving and helping me set everything up that we needed to.
I've only had good experiences with the support team as well.
Great support. If you have a problem, they're easy to get a hold of.